To fix YouTube TV not displaying full screen, start by ensuring your device and YouTube TV app are up to date. Open the App Store on your device, search for YouTube TV, and install any available updates. Next, check your device's screen settings. For smart TVs, navigate to the Settings menu and look for Display or Picture Settings. Select the correct input source and ensure the screen is set to the correct aspect ratio. For mobile devices, go to the Settings app, select Display, and choose the correct screen orientation. If the issue persists, try restarting your device and the YouTube TV app. Close the app, restart your device, and then reopen the app. This can often resolve connectivity and display issues. If you are still having trouble, check the YouTube TV app settings. Open the app, select your profile picture, and choose Settings. Look for Display Settings and ensure that full screen mode is enabled. You can also try resetting the app to its default settings. Another common issue is with your internet connection. Ensure your internet speed is sufficient to support streaming. A minimum speed of 5 megabits per second is recommended for standard definition and 13 megabits per second for high definition. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try clearing the app's cache and data. For Android devices, go to the Settings app, select Storage, and choose Internal Storage. Find the YouTube TV app and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. For iOS devices, go to the Settings app, select General, and choose iPhone Storage. Find the YouTube TV app and select Delete Data. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of YouTube TV not displaying full screen. Remember to always keep your device and apps up to date to ensure the best possible viewing experience.